Cache Giraffe can stop working correctly when your phone is low on available storage, especially if the app cannot save temporary files or update its local data. If you are seeing a storage full error in Cache Giraffe, the fix is usually on the device, rather than inside your Cache Giraffe account. I'll show you what to check first, and which steps to try before reinstalling the app. Start by checking your phone's available storage. On Android, open Settings, then Storage. On iPhone, open Settings, General, then iPhone Storage. Look at the available space, rather than the total storage capacity. If the phone is nearly full, remove or move some large files first. Videos, downloaded files, unused apps, and large photo libraries can take up significant space. You do not need to delete Cache Giraffe immediately. Once you have freed some space, completely close Cache Giraffe and open it again. This forces the app to start a fresh session instead of continuing with the process that produced the storage error. If you are using Android, the next step is clearing Cache Giraffe's cache. Open Settings, Apps, Cache Giraffe, Storage, and choose Clear Cache. The exact menu names can vary by Android version, but make sure you choose the cache option rather than deleting the app's stored data, unless you specifically want to reset it. On iPhone, there is no separate system-wide button for clearing an individual app's cache. Instead, check iPhone storage and use the Offload app option if it is available for Cache Giraffe. Offloading removes the app while keeping its documents and data, allowing you to reinstall the app afterward. Also, check whether Cache Giraffe has an update available in Google Play or the App Store. An outdated app can behave differently after an operating system update, or when its stored data becomes corrupted. If the error continues after freeing storage, restarting the phone, and updating Cache Giraffe, reinstalling the app is the next step. Before doing that, make sure you know your Cache Giraffe login details so you can sign back into the correct account. The key points are simple. Check available phone storage first. Clear temporary app data where your device allows it, and update or reinstall Cache Giraffe if the error remains. Your practical next step is to open your phone's storage settings and check the available space before changing anything inside Cache Giraffe. If this fixed the storage full error, like the video and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe troubleshooting guides.